In front of me is iPhone 17 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Personally, while testing all of those devices, iOS and Android ones, I came to appreciate keyboard tools. The ones helping with corrections, spelling, and even predictions. And today I want to show you how to access all of the ones connected to your default iPhone keyboard. No tricks or special apps, just devices settings. So let's begin by opening settings. Now scroll a tiny bit to click on the general section. And then scroll again, but this time to click on this section here. Keyboard under Fonts. Finally, you can scroll and manage all of those options under All Keyboards. To switch them off, tap on green switches right next to them. To turn them on, tap on gray switches instead. I would recommend at least trying those, and if you don't like them, you already know how to turn them off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!